In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show cover images in Notion Gallery View. If your Notion database is using a gallery view but your cards look plain, adding page covers and telling the gallery to display them is the key to a polished visual layout. We'll walk through adding covers to your pages, then adjusting the gallery settings so those images appear right on each card. Start by opening the pages you want to feature in the gallery. At the top of each page, click Add Cover. You can upload a file from your computer, paste a link, or pick something from Notion's built-in image library. Choose images that are wide and landscape-oriented so they crop nicely across the top of the page. This tends to look best on gallery cards. After you select an image, you can reposition it to frame the subject well. If an image looks grainy or overly large, try a higher resolution file with a reasonable size to balance clarity and loading speed. Repeat this for each page in your gallery so every card has a cover ready to display. Next, return to your database in Gallery View. In the top right corner of the view, click the three dot menu. This opens the settings for the current view, which is where you control how your cards appear. In the Settings panel, go to Layout. Here, you'll find the options that shape each card's look and feel. Locate the Card Preview setting, which determines what image, if any, shows on the card itself. Change Card Preview to Page Cover. The moment you do this, Notion will pull the cover from each page and display it on the corresponding card in your gallery. If a card still looks blank, double check that the underlying page actually has a cover assigned. Sometimes refreshing the view or toggling to another view and back can help the update appear. While you are in Layout, you can also fine-tune the card size to fit more or fewer cards per row. And if available, adjust image fit to control cropping. These tweaks don't add steps. They simply help your new covers shine. That's it. By adding a cover to each page and setting the gallery's card preview to page cover, you transform a text-heavy database into a clean visual grid that's easier to scan and more inviting to click. It's a simple change that makes a big impact. Whether you are showcasing projects, articles, or a personal portfolio. Thanks for watching.